How to fix apps not showing delete apps in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to delete this app, then simply press and hold on this app and then click on remove app. Now here you cannot see the delete app option. If you fix this problem, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on screen time. After clicking on screen time, then scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions. Now click on iTunes and App Store purchases. In second, you can see the option deleting apps. Now click on deleting apps, and if you select don't allow, then you cannot delete your apps, and if you select allow and then go back to your screen, and then if you delete this app, then you can see the option delete app. Wait a minute. Now click on app and then click on remove app, and now here you can see the option delete app. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.